back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm teaching us how to increase and reduce the volume of our audio clip in Premiere Pro. And for the purpose of this video, I would be using my pen tool. So after clicking on my pen tool, I'll make sure, or before clicking on my pen tool, I'll make sure I'm clicked on my audio clip. So I'll go to my pen tool. After clicking on my pen tool, I'll make a selection here. I'll make another selection here. I'll make a selection. After making a selection, I'll right click on this and drag it down. I'll right click on this and drag it down. You can always take it up anyhow you want it to be, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to fade it in and fade it out. So I'm going to do it this way. So to also fade it out, I'm going to also do it this way. And that's it, guys. As you can see, the sound, this thing from here is low because of this thing, and you can see it went up. Then take it up here and you see that it's also going down. Watch it, is going down the way this is going down. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.